Some cars are abandoned, but others are left behind with stories still trapped in their seats, waiting for someone to listen. In the heart of a lonely jungle, surrounded by silence and vines, a 1998 white Rover Mini Cooper MPI rests, broken, bruised, forgotten. Its shattered windshield reflects the sky, like a memory refusing to fade. The roof is rusted, the tires are gone. And inside? The once loved seats are torn, soaked with years of rain and regret. But this isn't just metal. This is someone's first drive, someone's last goodbye. 1,000 laughs, an argument, maybe even a promise. All trapped beneath dust and decay. Now, it waits. Not for scrap, but for someone to believe it still matters. To bring it back. To restore not just the car, but everything it ever meant. This is a story of rust and rebirth. Of emotion beneath engine oil. Of a forgotten soul getting its second chance.